Hello friends, today we discuss about polynomial class 10 chapter 2. In polynomial, first we discuss about introduction, types of polynomial. On the basis of term, there are three types of polynomial: monomial, binomial and trinomial. In monomial, we have only one term, like example is 3x square or 4y or 3z cube. In binomial, we have two terms like 2x square plus 2 or 3y minus 4. In trinomial, we have three terms like 4s square minus 4s plus 1 or 3x square plus 3x plus 1. These are the types of polynomial on the basis of term. Now, on the basis of power or degree. First is linear polynomial. If the highest degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is called linear polynomial, like 3x plus 5 or 3y minus 4. Quadratic polynomial. If the highest degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial, like 4s square minus 4s plus 1, where 2 is the highest power or degree in this equation or polynomial. Third, cubic polynomial. If the highest power of the polynomial is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial, like 3x cube, highest degree or power is 3. And another example, the highest power is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. Now we discuss about exercise 2.1. Question number 1. The graph of y equal to px are given in following figure. For some polynomials px, find the number of zeros of px in each case. Now number of zero is the value of variable like x, y, z, etc. Question number 1. In this graph, this line is passes through y-axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. So the answer of this question is the number of zeros is 0, as the graph does not cut the x-axis at any point. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये जो x-axis है ये कहीं पे भी जो इस लाइन से कट नहीं हो रहा है, इसलिए इसका जो नंबर ऑफ जीरो होगा वो 0 होगा. Now the second question is, this is the graph. Now this line is passes through y-axis and x-axis, but the x-axis is cut at one point. Therefore, the answer of second question is the number of zeros is 1, as the graph intersect the x-axis at one point. यहाँ पे जो है x एक्सिस एक जगह पे जो है कट हो रहा है, इसलिए इसका जो नंबर ऑफ जीरो होगा वो 1 होगा. Now question number 3. Now in this question the line is passes through, first intersect on x axis here, and second cut is here, and third cut is here. Total intersect on x-axis at 3.1, 2 and 3. Therefore, the number of zeros is 3, as the graph intersect the x-axis at 3 point. Now, question number 4. In this graph, this line in U shape and the x-axis is cut on 2 points. यहाँ पे जो है दो जगह पे जो x-axis है वो कट हो रहा है. Therefore, the number of zeros is 2, as the graph intersect the x-axis at 2 points. Question number 5. In this graph, this line is intersect on x-axis at 4 points. First, 1, 2, 3, 4. आपको इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि हमें सिर्फ एक्स एक्सिस पे कहाँ पे कट हो रहा है वो देखना है, वाई एक्सिस पे नहीं, ये काउंट नहीं करना है, ओनली ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. Therefore the number of zeros is 4 as the graph intersect the x axis at 4 points. Now the last question, question number 6. In this graph, the line is intersect x-axis at 1, 2, 3. यहाँ पे इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि ये जो है ये लाइन यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है, सिर्फ टच करके जा रहा है, इसलिए इसको 1 काउंट करेंगे. अगर इस तरह से पूरा कट करके ऐसे जाएगा तो उसको 2 काउंट करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे होगा 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, the number of zeros is 3 as the graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points.